How to buy go-kart online. Hey everybody, welcome back to official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy your go-kart online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, open up any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in go-kart login. As you do so, you will see this TransLink website. Tap open it, and at this interface, just tap on buy a go-kart. Then you will land onto this page. Select which card that you would like to buy. Once done, tap on Continue. Here simply type in your first name, your middle initial, your last name, your address type, and fill out all this information. Once done, tap on Continue. And just like so, you have to fill out all this information till your step 7, and once done, you will be able to buy yourself a go-kart. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.